covers in 2017. 13 covers in total in, which house 12 to 13,000 sheep and lambs in our lairage. The covers work really well for us here at Colac with the light they provide and the air that can move through the covers to enable our stocker in the best condition possible before slaughter. We also find the covers do really well under extreme conditions and rain. They're extremely waterproof and do a fantastic job to keep our stock nice and dry. Installation we found was extremely quick. The guys did a fantastic job and worked along the system, putting 1 through to 13 in, which made it work very well for us as we were able to continue working without any problems at all. Working conditions we find under the covers is fantastic for our workforce and the stock in regards to temperature. As I mentioned earlier, in regards to wind moving through, to be able to cool everyone down and keep everyone in a comfortable position. Highly recommend this product for anyone looking for shelter. It does provide a much better system than iron in regards to temperature being at least 30% cooler than what tin can provide, and the ability to last and withstand the conditions are fantastic.
Company in Colac, and we had the Allshelter installed about 6 months ago now. We find that compared to the tin, the lambs are a lot calmer, there's a lot of wire up here, a lot more breeze, so the temperature is not as hot. So with the workers find it a lot more comfortable to work up here compared to working under the tin. So the lambs, the temperature's not as high.